Hey, what's happening? What's going on? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, I would like to welcome you to my channel and tell you a little bit about myself real quick. My name, again, is Matt, and I am the leader and founder of Chart Bulls Trading. We're a group of traders and investors who have come together to learn and talk about technical analysis and fundamental analysis and the best way to trade and invest in crypto, stocks, and Forex. If that's something that interests you, we are a free group. It's the first link in the description, and it's just a free chat room. I'd love to talk to you there. So this video is my first day recap of trading on BitMEX. Yesterday I deposited zero point 0.1 Bitcoin. There's a full video on this. I deposited 0.1 Bitcoin which is worth about $660, with the goal of trading as many days as I can in July and seeing where that gets me while I have a little bit of extra time on my hands between jobs. So this is, again, my recap. I am up. So first off, I started trading about 8 o'clock, and it is now 11:30. I'm done for the day. I'll be going to the lake for July 4th here in a little bit, so I won't be trading tomorrow either. So in about 3.5 hours, really like 2.5 with some breaks in between, I made 9.8%. So I am now up to, we'll show you here. So my initial deposit. Also, these days it's 1 day ahead just because of UTC time or whatever. So I deposited 0.1, and I am now at 1.1098. So that's 9.8% gain, worth about $65. So 9.8% is amazing. I cannot complain about that at all. My goal is anywhere from 3 to 5%, hopefully. It's a little higher than normal just because of the leverage trading and the fact that I don't have that much money in my account right now, so I got to push a little hard. But I'm up $65, almost up 0.1 Bitcoin. It's a great day for me. Again, 9.8%. I'm excited to see where we land on Thursday as we continue this journey. But I did want to just talk quickly about my trades. Here's my trade history for the day. I went long for my first trade. So my first trade lasted about 12 minutes. So I did go long at 65.62, sold at 65.69. I was at 50x leverage just because I knew I was going to be in and out quickly. So that was a 12-minute trade. And then my last trade, I went short at 65.82.5, got out at 65.81. It was pretty sketchy. I did not enjoy that trade. It lasted 25 minutes. It was too long for me. I hated every second of it. But we did get out with a very, very small profit. Again, 50x leverage helped with that. As well as, if you watched my Rules of BitMEX video, if you haven't, please watch it. It's the one right before this, I think. I always do limit orders, so that did help with my overall winnings. So the fees paid, if it's green, that means they're actually paying you. So I did have quite a bit of winnings just from the fees, which is a great life hack, if you will, for BitMEX. And that helped me get to this 0.0098 number from my realized P&L. Realized means that these are gains that you've locked in. Unrealized means that it's still in an open position. So I have locked in 9.8%, or $65 for the conversion rate for July 3rd. Thanks for joining me in this journey. I do want to encourage you to join in. Try it out. Put in 0.1 Bitcoin on BitMEX. Use the link below to make an account. See what it can get you, what you can do with it, like I'm doing, and come chat with me in the Discord. So if you're liking what I'm doing here, trying to give you some very clear understanding on my stuff, on my side of how my brain is working, I mean, we can even dive in real quick. But I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment. Kind of what my thought process was as far as the actual trades. 8:45, got in at 65.62. It would have been right about here. So I touched into that green, which was a buy sign for me, and I originally had it at 65.76, but I was getting sketched out, so I pulled the trigger at 65.69 when we hit this VWAP in here. That was my first trade. My second trade, again, this was the crappy one, so I shorted at 65.82, thinking that it was going to keep going down because we had just touched into the red, 65.82. And of course, it bounced off of the VWAP and went up pretty high, and then I got out on this second drop. So again, I'm looking for very short-term trades. These are on the 5-minute charts. 3-minute actually is what I was trading on today. Typically, I'm on the 5-minute, but with these micro scalps, I tend to trade the 3 just because it gives me a little more information. And that is it. So again, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I hope to see you back here on, well, there will be a video posted tomorrow, and then I'll see you for my next daily recap on Thursday, and in the chat room. Until then, peace.